How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir G7 Pro to your computer. Now, basically, there's two ways that you can do this. There's the wireless connectivity and you have the wired connection. So when you open up your GameSir, you will get this USB dongle. This is basically what we are going to use in order to connect it wirelessly onto our computer. But you could do it traditionally where you could use the USB connection and you could just connect it directly onto the USB port of your computer. So you could just choose whether you want to plug it on the front of your computer or on the back side of your motherboard. Now, what after plugging in the wireless connectivity or the wired connection itself, you want to make sure that you are inside the right switch option. So it's going to be this button right here. You want to use the Bluetooth icon if you're using it wirelessly, and you want to use this one if you are connected on it wired. And so that's how you connect your GameSir G7 Pro to your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.